Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna show you how to change your radio on a Chrysler 200. So from 2015 up. Alright. Please go ahead and leave a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Help me help you. If I help you, go ahead, give me some thumbs up. Alright, so first you wanna like hold around here, put your fingers around. If you can see that groove around there, put your finger like here at the top, all the way around, and you wanna work your way around it. Alright, so you wanna just hold this right here, pry it out a little bit like that, and work your way around it, and it will come off as easy as that. Alright, so right here you have a clip right here, so you gotta hold it right here and take out the clip. Alright, and around here you have like 4 screws that hold the radio in place. So you gotta take out those 4 screws to take out the radio. Alright, and they're gonna be Phillips screw, or I think you can use like a 7 or 8 millimeter to take that out. Alright, so actually it's 7 millimeter. Or a Phillips screwdriver, whichever you have. Alright, still do the job. So here you have the radio. So you wanna squeeze right here and bring it up. Alright, so you push it right here down and bring it up. Alright, to unplug this right here, you squeeze right here and plug it out. So right here you squeeze right here, plug that out. Same thing for the other one. Spin it around, squeeze here and bring it out. Alright, and here's the parts number for this one. Remember, when you order your new radio, you need to get your the parts number from this, so you can match it up and get the same exact radio. And also it's gonna have a lock code on it, so you're gonna need to order the radio and get the VIN for the radio that you order, along with the parts number, the serial number, and call the dealer and get a passcode, because when you put in a different radio, it's gonna ask you for a password. So you wanna call the dealer with the VIN for the other car and the parts and the radio that you get the car from, and then call and ask them for the passcode, and they will give it to you, and you just put it on and your radio will work. So I'm gonna call them and get the passcode, and then I'll be back. Alright, so I already called the dealer and get my 4-digit code, which I wrote it down right here. And sometimes it asks for the code, sometimes it does not ask for the code, but most time it will ask for the code. So let's see where we go from here. So now you want to connect back your wires to install it. Set the camera. Alright, make sure it lock nice and tight. Install this one also. Okay, that one lock in, and that one lock in also. That's all that there to it. Then you want to go ahead and put it back right here. Line up your holes and get your 4 Phillips screws seems good. Go ahead and install your 4-way flasher. Connect your 4-way flasher arms. Go ahead and connect that. Alright, go ahead and put this back in. Line up everything. Make sure all the holes line up. That's it. Check your 4-way flush. That worked. Go ahead and crank the car up. See what the radio do. Alright, so as I can see, I don't need to put in the code, but 9 out of 10 you're already gonna ask for the code. Alright, so there you go. That's how you change the radio. The radio work, as you hear when I turn it on and start playing. I turned the music off because of the copyright on YouTube, so that's why I didn't let it play. But thank you guys for your love and support. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Help me help you. See you next time. Alright.